So I recently got my Blackmagic Pocket 4K, and I ordered the Tilta cage for it, and so that just came in today. I was gonna do an unboxing, but there wasn't really much to unbox. It came in like a small cardboard box about the size of this Panasonic box right here, except no design, no logo, pure cardboard and tape. So I thought there'd be another package inside of it, so I opened it up, and then it was just like these little plastic baggies with all the pieces inside. So I guess I'm just gonna be building it now. All right, so I've got the half cage done. Oh, it feels really solid. For something that only uses 4 screws, I honestly thought it would be a lot flimsier than this, but it feels like very strong. Also, the design is pretty good, I would say. It looks nice. So I hope I didn't lose any screws. It says to use the provided screws, but I don't see them. So I'll be right back. So it looks like I underestimated Tilta's engineering, because they actually do have the screws. They're just hidden underneath and on top of the cage. Everything was there. Just a little paranoid, I guess. That adds a lot of weight to your camera. It feels way heavier. I totally see why people get the grip for the side, because holding it here just does not feel right, but having a grip for it would definitely make up for it. I don't have the battery grip or anything that Tilta has, but I see why people get it. Clearly very useful. I'm going to try to put on my T5 SSD, and now that the camera's on it, actually, it's a lot more stable when I put it down than before. Usually when I put it down, it like wobbles a little bit or falls over, but now it feels real solid. I think they have screws on the top so you can take off the Tilta logo if you want to. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but I guess they give you the opportunity, which is nice. This feels really good. This is the main reason I wanted to get the half cage over the full cage, was so that I could balance it on my gimbal properly, because the camera's a little bit too wide to put onto my Crane. I have the Crane V2. The camera's a little bit too wide to put on the Crane V2, and this cheese plate right here gives you the opportunity to move over a little bit, and the half cage doesn't add enough weight that you can't balance it anymore. I mean, at least I hope not. So, try the full cage now. Let's see if it's possible to put the full cage on without actually taking off the half cage, because if you can do that, this is going to be the most convenient cage I've ever used. Well, there it is. You can slide it on, so that's awesome. Full cage Tilta. I'll be doing some test footage with this on my gimbal, handheld, just to see how the camera functions. I got it just a week ago. I've colored a little bit. Yeah, so